Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule C for business taxes. Start by gathering income records, receipts, and your EIN or SSN. I will walk you through each section in order, explain common categories, and flag items that often trigger questions. Follow along with a checklist and pause when you need to match receipts to categories. By the end, you'll feel confident completing your Schedule C accurately and calmly. Start with gross income and be precise about sources like $1,099 payments and cash sales. I'll show how to reconcile deposits to receipts and avoid double counting. Keep a simple spreadsheet or accounting app to trace each sale back to a receipt. If you had returns or allowances, subtract them correctly so your gross income reflects actual business earnings. This step reduces errors and audit risk later on. Quick recommendation: if you're filing or tracking receipts late, stay hydrated with the O-Ala water bottle. It's leak-proof, easy to sip from during long bookkeeping sessions, and makes staying focused a little nicer. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now we dive into deductions and how to document them for Schedule C. I will explain common categories, home office allocation, and vehicle deductions with mileage tracking. Keep detailed receipts and a mileage log so you can substantiate amounts like $15, $000 in equipment, or a 25% home business allocation. We'll also discuss how to handle mixed purpose expenses and when to capitalize versus expense purchases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.